guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically organize your Discord servers. So for instance, you want to put them in like folders. You're just going to select your the server, and you're just going to drag it and you're going to put it in the folder like so. And you can right click and select folder settings, and you can have like a name for it. For instance, like this one's important. You can also add in like a color as well. You can customize the color that you want. For instance, you want this like really light pink. Have that and then press done, and it should be that color. It's very like vague because okay, did not work for some reasons. Important, done. There we go. I guess like the color doesn't really show up if I do that. So just keep that in mind. The darker the color is, it will like show up more than like the lighter color. And that's basically it really. Then when you want to open it, just open it. If you want to like take it like the server out, just select it and like drag it up like so, and the folder will disappear magically. Ta-da! I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!